All right, here we go. Showing you another little piece of my paradise. I got my 3 dogs with me. I just got my coffee. I'm gonna do another video about the coffee stand. I'm telling you, it's so cute and so awesome. Good coffee too. So down this road, look at this. Look at this. We're gonna get out and look at this. I'm actually gonna get out and show you this. This is one of the creeks. Hey, God! You, dog, no! Mellow, get back in. Stay. See, there's my dogs. There's my drooling bear and his brother, believe it or not. Stay. All right, so here we go. Look at that. This is just a little skip away from the coffee stand. Look at this. Oh yeah. This is a good spot right here. Water's a little low right now. We're kind of on a drought. So next, I'm going to show you over here. Now, actually, we're going to go check that out. It's an old concrete silo. So this road winds around that way, and then we'll go over there and check that out. And over there, way down there, it's not really that far away. That's the coffee place. Ready? No, you're not coming out. And you get to see my messy truck. I tried to clean it. Damn kids, man, I'm telling you. All right, come on. Look out, move. No, you're not going outside. That's why I only wanted to bring 1 or 2 dogs, not 3 of them. Wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show some footage this morning. Maybe take a dog on a walk. But the dogs are all determined to come with me. I have 2 dogs at home. They're the older dogs. They're the good dogs. They don't give me so much trouble. Hush. Man, this coffee's good. Okay. I had my daughter clean the windows, and she didn't do a good job. Not happy about that. Obviously, I need to redo them myself. Oh, they put a fence around the silo. I want 1 dog. Mama. No. You don't listen. You don't listen. In the back. Mama, come. Stay, bear. Mama, come. No. Stay, dogs. Mama. Stay. Let me roll up this window a little bit. You're being turds. All right. Hey. Last time I was here was about 5 years ago. back behind that silo wasn't as overgrown as it is. And they definitely didn't have that fence around it. Look at this old foundation. I think this was like a chicken coop. Like an old chicken farm. That would make sense, huh? Really don't know the history of it. But I'm hoping I can find out. Oh, those puppies are losing their damn mind. Why the hell did I leave them behind? Wow, they are pissed. They are some mad dogs right there. Wow. Mad dog. All right. Sorry about the hand there. Now, it looks like a big old tar pit in there, which is the one thing that I found pretty interesting last time I was here. See if I can get a little closer. My doctor would probably tell me I shouldn't be doing this because of my ankle. But look at that. You see that barrel stuck into the ground? Maybe a really big fire happened and I don't know. A big old tar pit happened out of it. It's pretty interesting though. Okay, now let's see if I can get myself turned around here. Okay, here we go. I'm walking alongside this wall. Okay, that's a little bit better. So just a quick peek of another little spot around me here. I was thinking about getting a metal detector. So yeah, this is a new YouTube channel and it's all new to me. Trying to start something up with this here. So any suggestions from folks on what you think I'm doing wrong or I could do better? You want to be a hater, say something negative, I'm just going to take it as a learning experience to make myself better. So hey, hope I don't have no haters, but that's okay. Bring it on. But I would like to see some comments. If you have any questions about the things that you see. One thing I will put out there as a disclaimer is that I have found that my iPhone seems to magnify my breathing. I am a big girl. I'm, a little thick. But I swear I do not breathe like a crazy haunting banshee. Nope. Nope. Hey. Load up. Telling you, I don't breathe like that normal. Okay, you crazy dogs. Okay, so back on the road we go. We're gonna roll down this window so the dogs can fight over that. All right, here we go.
Thank you for your continued support and remind you they're ready with the best breakfast in town, a terrific lunch menu, and of course delicious chicken dinner. The Chicken Coop is open 7 days a week for in-store and takeout. The Chicken Coop and Lounge, Highway 83 in Suitland.
Plan on getting a GoPro so I don't have to use my iPhone that likes to rattle the hell out of the windshield in the video. Really not that bad of a drive. It just might make you nausea, give you nausea by watching my videos. And I apologize about that, but like I said, this is a new channel, it's a new video, and I'm just looking forward to sharing the wonderful sights and adventures around me. I mean, it's just so absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. Like, dirty windows does no justice. How beautiful it is out here. My God. Okay, so that right there is the coffee place. Let's see. I'm gonna have to do another video for that though. It's a real cute spot. There's roads that go along the that little river creek. As you can see, these roads, they go all along it. Today or tomorrow, my next video, I'm hoping that it's going to be at the little swim spot with my kids. Not too sure if I want to put me and my kids' face up on it on YouTube yet. I'm not sure, but I will definitely get some footage of the spot and definitely be able to see my dogs. So, as I said in another video, the tourists here are fucking crazy, excuse my French. Why do we call it French? I don't understand that. I don't get that at all. That's not French. Cuss words aren't French. Anyways, yeah, so that stop sign right there, almost every single trucker and tourist comes barreling down there, and they have 2 stop signs. They do the first one, and then they take the little right turn. They're supposed to stop as soon as they turn, and they don't. They just blaze through. So as locals out here, we're constantly on guard, and it's not just that stop sign. It's like all through this damn parking lot. Crazy insane. Okay, I'm gonna go to my favorite parking spot. I need to go into the gas station, and I'm gonna conclude this video. So if you're watching, even if you don't like my videos, please like it. Put that thumbs up because it'll help me a lot. I don't know what my goal is besides showing footage. Oh, you took my spot. But I think I got what it takes. I just need to work on my skills a little bit. So in any case, I'm going to end this video, and I ask you to like and subscribe, leave a comment, ask questions, give criticism. I'm all about it. And I'll be doing another video in the next few days. I know my windshield's cracked. Look at that. No, I'm just trying to rebuild my life. and I'm gonna take this YouTube channel with me, and we're gonna advertise. All right, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Have a great day. Loving y'all.